Welcome, sir.
Hi. I'll just take it in the hand.
Yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
You go inside, sir.
Yeah. So first of all, I'd like to congratulate him on his election as the chairperson of the KHADC. Once I got the invitation, I felt that it was very nice of them to invite me, and it would give me an opportunity also to visit and be part of a proceeding. I think it has never happened before, so I think it's a positive message, and really the idea is to realize that there are different levels of governance and each one has got their own role to play. Each one is very important, and it's important to work together in situations, and I think really my purpose of visit was really to send that message to everybody that we are all here to work for the people together.
Do we see that from now onwards KHADC and the state government will work hand in hand?
Yes, I think this message has been there always. We have always tried to make sure that we all work together. Ultimately, we are all here to work for the people and for the state, and we have different roles to play, and it's important that there should be good coordination between the state government and between the district councils and even the traditional heads and the society as a whole.
In order to make the KHADC work properly, there are many pending bills within the state government. As the Syiem, will you look into this matter?
Absolutely. I mean, we are always there to work together, and we are working in all these aspects. Those are obviously details and nitty-gritties that we will have to sit and we'll have to discuss and work together. So we will definitely discuss all these matters.